what is a Pinoy birthday party without fried chicken and spaghetti? Jollibee is the best, both and a lot more. Time Zone is a perfect place for parties because we have everything for every age. We have bowling, we have billiards, basketball, and attractions. So we have everything for everybody, right? And we now even have fireworks. And so now it's the time for lots of those. So add in Jollibee himself. Add in Jollibee and partner, we know not a lot of people get the chance to. Really proud to be a one of partner. Stay again to meet you for coming. And all our esteemed guests. Really hope you have a good time.
Hello and jolly morning everyone. Thank you for joining us. Today is really all about fun, food, and celebrations. And that's our official meal partner of Time Zone. And we're bringing Jollibee party packages to all the Time Zone venues all over the country. Di ba napaka-exciting? Yes! And that means that parties just got even better. Sabi nga ni Miggy, there's so much fun, amazing games in Time Zone. I myself,
would be lost in the fun world of Time Zone in Glorieta 4. Palakpakan natin ang Time Zone at ang Jollibee. They say some things just belong to each other, just belong together. And for every Filipino, party meals complete with a visit from everybody's best friend Jollibee, together with a high energy, high thrill, and high fun world of Time Zone. Our guests won't just get their favorite meals, they get 400 power tickets. At syempre, meron tayong special treat just for the celebrant who gets 1,200 power tickets all included. And this comes, of course, with a visit from everybody's best friend and a dedicated party host. So again, to our partners from Time Zone, Sir Rafi, Sir Miggy, our partners from marketing, and of course, the National Key Accounts team, thank you so much for helping us prove that when two brands, fueled by joy, join forces, guests never have to choose between playtime and mealtime again. Today, we aren't just launching a package, we are launching thousands, and I dare say, millions of best birthdays ever. Again, good morning to everyone. And
nagyayaya ang ngiti, di na nga magpakali. Halika na, tara na, doon na nga ang pita. Labas lahat ng ipin, sumasayaw sa tuwa. Ganyan ang feeling, kapag bida ang saya. Bida tayo, sa bida ang mata. Sa Jollibee na tayo, mas matulog, mas masaya. Sa Jollibee na tayo, walang iba. Sa Jollibee, bida ang masaya. Bida ang saya. Dito lahat ay ito, dito lahat bida. Pinagsamang saya. Sige na, sayo na, labas lahat ng ngipin. Sumasayaw sa tuwa, ganyan ang feeling. Kapag bida ang saya. Bida tayo, sa bida ang mata. Sa Jollibee na tayo, mas matulog, mas masaya. Sa Jollibee na tayo, walang iba. Sa Jollibee, bida ang masaya.
Three, two, one, tap! There you go! Let's get ready to power up your celebrations with Jollibee and Time Zone! Take pictures with Jollibee.
Ayan na, kaya mo na yan. Hindi kaya.
Okay, so tapos na yung program. We're waiting for lunch. And mag-uubos na tayo ng power card. Usually, and the trick here is pag may media event, nakaset up yung mga claw para mas maluwag, mas madaling makakuha. It's just, I suck. Okay, my wife is better, mas magaling siya kumuha dito, so dapat siya sinama ko. So yung Jollibee doon, nakita nyo kanina, wala pa ako nakukuha. Although, There are some interesting prizes pero may mga events pa ako so baka hindi ko na pero mga malalaki yung mga magaganda. I guess maganda rin yung setup nila dito so mas mabilis, mas madali makakuha pero yun nga lang. Try natin. Kahanap pa ako ng ano. I think this is nice pero hindi ko siya I don't dahil na alanganin eh. Medyo alanganin I guess. Mga SpongeBob na maliliit. And hey, this is Pikachu na maganda yung pagkakagawa. So, pwede rin to. Yun, so check natin. Tapos mamaya check natin yung lunch kung anong serve na. Sana buffet.
And the count of three say cheese. 1, 2, 3. Cheese.